Before airport security required travel-sized bottles. Before hotels stocked bathrooms with complimentary toiletries. Before zipper organizers filled department store shelves. Travel demanded preparation, not just for the journey, but for the person making it. Because wherever people traveled, they still needed to shave, brush their hair, wash their hands, clean their teeth, polish their appearance, and carry the tools to do it. The grooming bag was born from that simple necessity. Today, nearly every traveler owns some version of a grooming bag. It sits quietly inside a suitcase, holding toothbrushes, razors, soap, shampoo, perfume, skincare products, small objects that make unfamiliar places feel a little more like home. Yet behind this ordinary travel companion lies a history spanning centuries. Long before dedicated grooming bags existed, personal care items were carried individually. Ancient Egyptians stored cosmetics in carved boxes made from wood, ivory, or stone. Greeks and Romans traveled with combs, oils, mirrors, perfumes, and grooming tools tucked inside small containers or wrapped in cloth. These early collections were not yet true grooming bags, but they revealed an important truth. Personal appearance remained important, even far from home. As travel expanded during the Middle Ages, merchants, nobles, diplomats, and military officers required more practical ways to organize their belongings. Leather pouches gradually became common for carrying valuable personal items. These bags protected grooming tools from dust, moisture, and damage while making them easier to transport. By the 17th and 18th centuries, wealthy Europeans commissioned elaborate dressing cases. Rather than simple bags, these portable chests contained carefully fitted compartments. Silver razors, crystal perfume bottles, ivory combs, brushes, mirrors, scissors, tweezers, even manicure tools. Every item had its own designated place. Travel did not excuse poor grooming. Among aristocratic society, appearance reflected discipline, education, and social standing. The 19th century transformed personal travel. Steamships crossed oceans, railways connected continents, business travel increased, tourism expanded, people carried more personal belongings than ever before. Large dressing cases gradually evolved into more compact leather grooming bags. Flexible, portable, practical, these bags balanced elegance with efficiency. Military life also accelerated the development. Soldiers deployed for months or years required durable kits capable of surviving harsh conditions. Military wash bags carried razors, soap, toothbrushes, shaving brushes, and small mirrors. Organization became more than convenience. It became necessity. A missing razor or broken brush could not easily be replaced in the field. One of the most recognizable versions emerged in the early 20th century. The modern dopp kit became especially popular in the United States after leather craftsman Charles Dopp designed compact toiletry cases that were later distributed to military personnel during the Second World War. The name eventually became synonymous with men's grooming bags throughout North America. Meanwhile, Europe continued developing elegant leather vanity cases for both men and women. These often featured waterproof linings, metal frames, structured compartments, and high-quality zippers or clasps. Craftsmanship remained central. Fine leather resisted wear while developing a distinctive character with age. Every scratch recorded another journey. Every crease reflected years of faithful service. Psychology helps explain why grooming bags remain so satisfying to use. Humans naturally prefer organized environments. Knowing exactly where each item belongs reduces mental effort. Routine creates comfort, especially while traveling. A well-organized grooming bag transforms unfamiliar hotel rooms into temporary homes. It restores normality within unfamiliar surroundings. The design itself reflects thoughtful engineering. Wide openings improve visibility. Water-resistant interiors protect luggage. Separate compartments prevent spills. Strong handles simplify carrying. Durable stitching ensures longevity. Every feature solves a practical problem. Fashion eventually embraced grooming bags as luxury accessories. Prestigious leather workshops began producing beautifully handcrafted examples featuring premium materials, embossed monograms, polished hardware, and meticulous stitching. Business executives, frequent travelers, celebrities, and collectors appreciated both their functionality and refined appearance. The grooming bag quietly became part of sophisticated travel culture. Modern technology has continued refining the concept. Waterproof synthetic fabrics reduce weight. Antimicrobial linings improve hygiene. Hanging hooks maximize bathroom space. Transparent compartments simplify airport security. Recycled materials address environmental concerns. Despite these innovations, the fundamental purpose remains unchanged: to keep essential grooming tools organized and accessible. Perhaps the greatest achievement of the grooming bag is its invisibility. Like many excellent designs, it succeeds without attracting attention. It simply works, quietly, reliably, every trip, every morning, every destination. Behind each zipper lies a collection of routines that define daily life. brushing teeth, combing hair, shaving, applying fragrance, preparing for important meetings, special celebrations, ordinary mornings. The grooming bag supports countless moments that rarely appear in history books. Yet they shape everyday experience. Collectors now value vintage grooming bags for their craftsmanship and historical character. Museums preserve aristocratic dressing cases alongside military wash kits and early travel accessories. Together they reveal how personal care evolved alongside transportation, fashion, and changing social expectations. Because history is not only written through wars and revolutions, it is also written through ordinary habits, through the objects people trusted every day. The grooming bag reminds us that preparation has always mattered. Whether crossing oceans by sailing ship, traveling by railway, flying across continents, or simply spending a weekend away from home, people carry more than possessions. They carry routines, identity, confidence, and a small piece of familiarity. Beneath every leather panel, every polished zipper, every carefully stitched compartment, and every organized collection of personal tools, lies something greater than convenience. There is craftsmanship, discipline, preparation, and the quiet confidence that comes from being ready for whatever the journey brings. The grooming bag is more than a travel accessory. It is a portable ritual, a trusted companion carried across generations, and one of the most understated yet enduring innovations in the history of travel.